Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share one of the very famous soup from Bali, which is made from fish. We call it Garangasem Bepase or Bepase Mekuah. This is a very yummy, very refreshing, and of course always best to serve with rice. The ingredients are so simple as long as you have bumbu genep. So for this recipe I already put in the description for the link. So let's get started. So for this recipe, the fish I'm using is mackerel, including the bone, around 3 pieces. You can also use snapper or other fish. And for the rest of the ingredient, here I have bumbu genep, authentic Balinese cooking sauce, chicken stock, fried shallot, coconut oil. You can also use vegetable oil, and fresh tomato, fresh lime, salt, some fresh water, kaffir lime leaf, salam leaf, lemongrass, big red chili, small green chili, and spring onion. So let's make it. First I'm going to fry the fish. Let's turn on the cooker. Add the coconut oil, pinch of salt, and some black pepper. You can also use white pepper or you can skip this. The oil is ready. Let's add the fish. So we fried the fish until it's a light golden brown each side. Let's turn it over. So the fish is ready. Let's turn off the cooker and I will put the fish into the plate. So next I'm going to make the stock. Add the chicken stock, some fresh water. I'm going to use half cup of the bumbu genep, brush the lemongrass, so add to the soup. Add the salam leaf and kaffir lime leaf. Let's cover it. So when it's getting the boiling point, we're going to simmer for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to cut the big red chili and add to the soup. So I just slice it into 2 pieces. And add to the soup. And also green chili. And add the fish. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to cook for another 5 minutes more. The soup is ready. Smells so good. So let's prep it. First, I'm going to cut the cherry tomato into 2 pieces. For the 1 portion of the soup, I'm using 3 cherry tomatoes. Slice the spring onion. Just put it aside here. Let's add 1 fish. Add the tomato. Add the fish stock. Add spring onion and fresh salad. And slice of lime fruit. So here we are, Balinese style fish soup. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and also I opening my cooking class in Bali. If you would like to join, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And I hope you are all having a wonderful time. Matur suksema. Bye bye.